The biggest mistake retail traders make is selling their winners too early out of pure fear. Amateurs take tiny profits and miss out on major multi-bagger moves. Professionals ride the trend using a mechanical trailing stop loss. Rule 1 is defining your trend filter. We use a moving average, like the 20 EMA on a daily time frame, to block out market noise. As long as the daily candlestick closes above this line, the trend is structurally intact. We ignore temporary, intraday drops completely.
Rule 2 is trailing by swing points. Healthy trends naturally move in waves of higher highs and higher lows. Every time the stock makes a new high, we mechanically move our GTT stop-loss order right below the latest established swing lows.
This simple trailing technique acts as your emotional shield, allowing you to hold through multiple pullbacks without panicking. We only exit when a daily candle closes cleanly below our trigger. This locks in maximum gains without any emotional second-guessing.
Acquire objective rules to secure larger trends on autopilot, perfectly designed to fit your busy corporate lifestyle.
Gain access to robust, time-tested, rule-based trading strategies designed explicitly to protect your hard-earned capital.
Master real-world chart application today. Visit equityteacher.com or WhatsApp 9850 968556 right now.